how to size a dry well. You have to factor in the percolation of the soil, how well it percolates. If you have slow percolating soil, you're going to need a bigger dry well so that it acts as a reservoir when you collect the water, and then it could take days for it to percolate into the subsoils. Here we had really good percolation. We had great percolation. So we went 5 feet deep. We didn't need to go any deeper than that. Here in Michigan, that's our standard. We shoot for that. We want to go 5 feet deep so that it doesn't freeze. Now this is a sump pump line. That white pipe you see, that's PVC Schedule 40, 4-inch. I like to go with 4-inch because it's really, really strong. Anytime you increase the diameter of any material, you increase the strength. I know that it's the code to run 3-inch, and I'm overkilling it running 4-inch. But I've seen collapses. I've seen tree roots crush the 3-inch. I've seen a lot of different things. So I like to Schedule 40 and a 4-inch. I'm willing to pay a few more bucks to give my clients a better system. But how to size a dry well, it depends on how well your soil percolates and how much water you're managing. This sump pump hardly ever runs, and we have great soil percolation here because it's a sandy soil. So this doesn't have to be a very big dry well. It's 5 feet deep here, and we have a bunch of 1/2-inch holes drilled down the sidewall, and there's a bunch of 6A stone around it, and we have of course it's filter wrapped so that the sand doesn't mix with our stone. And everything that you see, if you subscribe to our channel and you see how we build our French drain systems, we're using all the same materials, the same fabrics, the same drainage stones. For a dry well built in southeastern Michigan, give us a call.